are sure trendsetters. Well, I'm in a restaurant where only women can go. Well, you must be thinking, women can go anywhere, yeah. But this restaurant, it's only for women-based restaurant. Here I'll get everything women. Must be you're getting confused. No, no. It's all about where a woman can come, enjoy. And the staff is also women. Like the bartender, waitress, the serving, everybody is women staff. So I'm more excited to know about their journey. So let's find out in Hyderabad, first time, women-based restaurant in Hyderabad. So let's do the tour and find out how it looks and how these women staff are enjoying their day. Well, come and let me have my day in this restaurant. Come. Well, I've been welcomed by a woman only. She takes care. Door has been opened by a woman, and I'm really feel so good that I've been welcomed by her with such a beautiful face. You feel really good, you know, complimenting a woman, right? So I'm very happy to see you guys here, and you opened my door. Thank you so much. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Akina, myself Akina.
Oh, from where you are?
Nagaland.
Nagaland. So she's from Nagaland and she's working in Hyderabad in a woman-based restaurant. So I think you're enjoying this place?
Yeah, very enjoying.
Great, great. So what's your job profile here? What do you do? What kind of work you're doing here?
I'm serving.
She's serving. So I love to get this opportunity that you will serve me, right? So whatever I want, you will give me.
Okay,
Promise?
sure.
Okay. It was nice meeting you. You can do your duty. I don't want to disturb her. So hi, I'm Neha.
Hi.
So Manisha, thank you so much for welcoming me. I mean, when I opened the door, such a beautiful lady was there to welcome me. So you'll be welcomed by the lady only here. Okay. Feel the positivity in the restaurant. It's women-based restaurant. So first, let me say thanks to you. And what is your role? What is kind of role you play here?
I am the manager over here, handling all the staff.
All staff women, I must say. Yeah.
Otherwise, we're handling our guests. They will feel very comfortable because this base is woman base.
Yeah.
Totally. So is actually they are working only women. It's
Okay.
a barman, otherwise server, kitchen also.
All chefs are also women?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
also
ma'am.
great.
Yeah,
So we're going to talk with that also. Yeah.
Actually, this is a sports bars, Indian first sports bars in India. We having another branch is Hyderabad, Gachibowli.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yeah, there are so many branches,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
this is the first
This
very
is the-
good concept
this is the
for
first
the women.
woman branch. Yeah.
So how much stress it is for you to handle all the women around you? How easy you find that?
It's not easy. Actually, I handle all stuff. They are for another place. They are
Yeah.
come from Nagaland. Otherwise, yes, they are somebody coming in Kolkata. Otherwise, Odisha. So I handle. All
So I
services.
think the girls from all over the city
Yeah, yeah.
have come at one
Yeah,
place.
yes,
Nagaland, Kolkata,
Yes,
Odisha,
Odisha. Yes,
okay.
Manipur also.
Manipur. Oh,
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Okay.
So minimum we having 10 girls. Otherwise, we having bartender also.
Okay.
She also doing all thing in drinks.
Okay.
So
How
otherwise,
are you liking this concept? Is it
it's
your
it's
first
very
job?
good. No, no. It's,
What is your profile? Where were you working earlier?
Actually, I am from normally I am from Kolkata.
Okay.
So I am staying in Andhra in
Okay.
back 5 years. So now I am searching a job. It's a very safety job. So we are such is Buffalo Wildings is a I go 2 months I will join this property in Kokapet.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Is when I come here, so I will see all girls also working is very friendly. They are very friendly. Otherwise, nearby,
so any woman can come and
yeah.
sit here and relax.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are the facility you're giving for the women?
We having sports.
Sports cabin.
Yeah, sports cabin. Otherwise, we having free games also.
Okay.
You can
So they can sit and work here also
Yeah.
anytime.
Anytime,
without
anytime. 11 to 12.
Can they bring their husbands and boyfriend? It's allowed.
Yeah, it's allowed. It's allowed. It can also, if any female also come in, only they also sitting in.
But I
alone.
think more of the women can enjoy this
Yeah, yeah,
place.
yeah.
Women based.
Yes.
They can sit alone, order their meal. They'll not feel like, okay, why people mostly in restaurant think why she's sitting like this
Yeah, yeah,
alone.
yeah.
So that's a great concept. So I just want you can show me about
Yeah, please come.
the feel of the restaurant. I can have that. You can
So
see
we
it's
are
again
doing, yeah,
based
the-
same sports theme. If I showed my cameraman all the sports, interior has been done on the based of sports only.
Come that side.
So now we're coming to the very important place, you know, where we get mocktail, cocktail, and when we come, we just wanted to have that only, right? So I am again liking this place.